Greetings to you all, beautiful soul. Welcome back. Let's quickly do another head wrap. Yes, together. Yes, I mean together. Alright, let's go. What I'm having here on my hand is Seiko material, full length of Seiko material. So bring out the Seiko material and let's go. 2080. Alright, so alright, let's work together. Let's work together. You saw what I did there. So just twist it, placing it on your head, then you twist it. Alright, then this longer part, wash now, raising it up. Then I took the down part and pin it on the base of that head wrap. Just pin it on the base to make sure it's very firm. You know, I didn't knot it, so you have to use pin to hold it. So that is what I did there. I have pinned there now, thereby securing it. All right, now I'm going to knot it. Wash my hand closely. I'm going to knot it. Wash. So I raised it up this way, then I knot it. Alright, so putting my hand on that hole, I drag this long side out, thereby creating a knot there. So I'm going to knot the second one again. Alright, so if this is the first time you're coming across my video, please, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Igeli Empire. Please do well to connect my channel. You have a lot to learn here. I mean, a lot of simple, good, conventional and unconventional head wrap to learn. Alright, so please do well to also share my video. Drop your comments on the comment section. Don't just watch and walk away. Please, above all, practice the same makes perfect. Alright, so that what you watch will not be in vain. So please watch to learn. Alright, so you can see I've not the second one, then the excesses now I twisted everything and took it to the back. Wash, so you can tuck it in the way I did now, or you can remove it and use your office pin to pin it. Alright, I use pin to pin it. I prefer pinning head wrap because it will give you this leverage, so even if you go out the thing somehow, or you can remove it and still place it back on your head immediately. That is the advantage of pinning your head wrap instead of tucking it in. Tucking it in is also good, but pinning is preferable. But if you're afraid of pin, please tuck it in. Alright, so we are good to go. So this other side, the shorter part, watch what I am doing. I started taking some rough plates to bring it down from the middle. From the middle, I'll bring it down. Watch what I'm doing now. So just divide it to equal half. Alright, so bring it down. Use your rubber band and fasten it together in the middle. Okay, so watch closely what I am doing now. Please, this head wrap is not all that difficult. If you focus your eyes, surely I know you will do something. Alright, so don't tell me it's difficult, I can't try it. Just try, you see that you're already doing it. Alright, so you can see, put that rubber band. I want to use this side now to create a bow. Alright, so watch closely what I'm going to do now. I'm going to create the bow. Alright, so you see the tip of those things, I fold it inside. Watch. Alright, watch closely what I am doing. I'm trying to arrange it to make sure that they are equal. Alright, so you see that tip now, I folded it inside, then drag it out. Wash, then I use office pin to pin it. Watch closely. I use office pin to pin it. So what I did then, I'm going to do it to this other side. Alright, so I use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel and those of you who are sharing my videos. I thank you so much. God will bless you. I appreciate you, and God will appreciate you more. I really love you. I send my good vibes to you. Thank you very much. Alright, you see this other side now that I knock, I started stretching it out. Look at it. I started stretching it out, stretch it out, and arrange it, and it will have this kind of line plate on it. Alright, so I'll stretch the first one. I'm going to stretch the second one now. Alright, so you see it, our head wrap is getting ready. Please don't go away. The first style is getting ready. I have two styles to show you here. So you can use just one base of head wrap and you form two styles, or even three, or even four, depending on what you want. Alright, see, I finished arranging that side. Now this other side now, I want to pin the bow tie down so that it will not be a kind of checky on your head. Alright, so just to pick up his pin the tip down, this other tip too. Watch closely. I just bring it down. Alright, you can see the head wrap, the first time is getting ready. It's getting ready. Just pin it down. Alright, then adjust, and make sure you adjust your side. Push it back a little bit. Okay, so that is that. You can see. So decorating further now is your hair accessory to cover that rubber band that I used to bring it down there. Just use rubber band to bring it down. Now use your accessory, to cover the rubber band I used to bind it or bring that part down. You can see what it looks like. Now let's cover the back. Right, so fold the excesses inside, bring it down, or you can fold it up. Alright, whichever way you want, bring it down, then use your office pin to hold it. Alright, our first style is ready. So pinning it down at the back. That is what the back look like. Now this is the front. The first style is ready. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it conventional? You can take this head wrap anywhere. I bet you anywhere, and you'll be glowing. Alright, now removing it now, I want to lose that bow tie side, so we can use it quickly to form the second style. Okay, use it to form the second style. I'm not touching this other side that I pleated that look like pleated line. I'm only removing the side that has bow tie. That is the only side I'm going to work on to form the second style. So watch closely now. I took some pleats down. And bring it. Then the two edges, I'll bring it together and pin it. Alright, so that is what I'm going to do here. I'm still sending my vibes, my positive vibe, my love to all my subscribers. You're too much. Please, you that is watching, don't watch and walk away. Connect with my channel. Drop your comments on the comment section. Share my videos. Above all, practice the same next perfect. Don't watch and walk away. Watch and learn something. Even if you're not tying for commercial papers, you can tie for yourself. Every Sunday, any occasion you're going, you're wearing different headgear. Alright, so you can see the second style is getting ready. Alright, so that is what we have there. Just bring it together and pin it and make sure it's very fair. So just adjust it. It's ready. Second style is ready. You can decorate further if you don't mind. Just put your hair accessory in the middle. It's ready. You can see, isn't it beautiful, conventional? I hope to see you in my next video. Please, I love you all.